Hi guys, this is the problem that I had tried to work through in class this morning. Today is Friday, February 23rd, I believe. So what happened was I went further than I should have in class. So I'm going to show you what we really should have, where we should have stopped, and how we should have left our final answer. So we were asked to use cofunction identities to find theta. Find one value of theta that satisfies cosecant 3 pi over 4 equals secant theta. So in class, we started by converting 3 pi over 4 into degrees. So these are the steps that we had. 3 pi over 4, we multiply by 180 over pi, and that simplified to 135 degrees. Okay, then second we went to the cofunction identity. Secant 90 degrees minus theta equals cosecant theta. So we were able to rewrite cosecant of 3 pi over 4 as cosecant of 135 degrees, and then applying the cofunction identity, we know that that's secant of 90 minus 135, which gave us secant negative 45. Okay, we should have stopped here because this is theta. Because we started out at the top with secant theta, and we started with cosecant 3 pi over 4. We went through the steps and we found that secant of negative 45 degrees equals cosecant of 3 pi over 4. So that means theta is equal to negative 45 degrees, and that's what we were asked to find. But we converted it into degrees. We would need to convert it back into radians. So step 3 is to take the negative 45 degrees and just multiply by the conversion over here, pi over 180, and that gives us a final answer of negative pi over 4 for theta. So that was as far as we needed to go in that particular example. What I did in class was I kept going, and I evaluated secant of negative 45 and found that to be the square root of 2, which is correct. It's just that's not what we were asked to do. We were asked to solve for theta, and theta turned out to be negative 45 degrees, and we converted into radians to get negative pi over 4 for our answer. Okay, so I hope that clears that up for you. Thank you.